Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. Finishing up a Thursday's trade here as I record this, and we had some sharply lower boxes on Wednesday, getting the choice underneath that 300 level, and it was a little bit of a scary feeling on the demand and what's happening there. So the market on Thursday opened quite a bit lower, just opened lower, kind of grinded lower, traded that way for about 35 minutes before it got back to reality, did what cattle have been doing every time they've been trading a little bit lower here over the last couple of weeks, been able to fight it off and get some higher prices. So a lot of that can be tied to cash. The South started some bids at 184, then got to 185 and as high as 185.50. North still kind of holding strong, asking for $2 to $3 higher than what the South is getting on superior on better quality cattle, we'll say. So I think there's been a little bit of that, higher than the southern prices that have been passed. Yet to see if it's going to pick up a bunch of ground here yet. But futures are acting real good. Getting some new recent highs, still on the uptrend here for cattle. So that's a pretty good sign. The carcass weights are not helping us out. The Thursday data that came out, we're still 26 pounds over a year ago on steer carcasses, and that's backing up formula country where the packer has the leverage, where they've made those deals and they have all of those cattle. They can put more weight on them, so that's how they're kind of using the band-aid to stop this tight supply. Is okay, they're going to put more weight on the cattle they have control over, and then we're going to import a lot of beef. We sure have. January looks like that's we're setting some records here. January numbers on imports were astronomical. I combed back 20 years. I didn't see any number even close to that. July, that'll be the second biggest, it looks like to me. So we're importing a lot of beef as well here to kind of fill that tight supply. But that's why cash is able to stay stronger. We've got some packers looking around needing some cattle, and that feels good. Cash feeder prices holding on strong. So with that sharp break that we've had this year, it kind of feels like we're gearing back up, trying to put some back on and daring to ask for some higher prices. Questions? Give us a call. Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. The risk of loss in trading futures and/or options is substantial.